Hello children, how are you? Let's start with the environmental studies. In previous video we have seen seed coat, cotyledon, parts of a seed, germination of a seed and conditions required for germination of seed. So we will continue chapter number 5, but another topics we will see in chapter number 5, seeds and seeds. So let's see. So topic for today's learning are dispersal of seed by wind, by water, by animals or by explosion. And we will see importance of seed dispersal. Before going towards that topic children, first we will see what is dispersal of seed. The process by which seeds are scattered away from their parent plant is called seed dispersal. Now we will see which are the agents that are responsible for seed dispersal. So these agents of dispersal are by wind, seed can be dispersed, by water, by animals or by explosion. These are the agents of seed dispersal. Now we will see seed dispersal by wind. The wind is the natural and fundamental means of seed dispersal in the plant kingdom. The process of dispersal is mainly seen in those plants which bear very light seeds. Their weight is very light. The seeds of the orchid plant, dandelion, swan plants, cottonwood tree and many more examples are there which are dispersing by wind because of their light weight. You can see in the figure also dandelion, cotton seeds. So they are dispersing with the help of wind. Now we will see seed dispersal by water. In this method of seed dispersal, seeds float away from their parent plant. These are mainly seen in those plants which lives in water or nearby the water bodies like beaches, lakes, ponds, etc. Coconut, palm, mangroves, water lily, water mint are a few examples of a plant whose seeds are dispersed by water. You can see it in the picture also. Coconut seed dispersal takes place through water. Now we will see dispersal by animals. So animal and humans eat a variety of fruits. Example cherry, papaya, mango, etc. The seeds of such fruits are thrown away. Such seeds germinate in different places. Birds often swallow some seeds. These seeds come out as undigested food in their droppings. This also aids in seed dispersal. You can see in the figure blood dropping is there through which seeds can disperse. Xanthium seeds have spines or stiff hair, so that can stick on the fur of dog. So in this way seed dispersal takes place through animals or by droppings. Now we will see seed dispersal by explosion. Some fruits burst open when they ripen. The seeds in a pod burst open or explode when dry. The force of explosion helps to scatter the seeds. You can see in the figure seed dispersal by explosion in balsam. Then seed dispersal by explosion in green peas. Soybean seeds are dispersed when their pods burst. So these are the examples when explosion takes place at the time seeds can disperse. Here you can see some examples of seeds that can disperse by wind, by animals, by water or by bursting or you can say explosion. So these are some seeds examples. You can see it in the figure. Now if all the seeds of the plant fall at the same place, then there would be competition for space, water, minerals, etc. So dispersal of seed should be very important. Now we shall watch video, so watch carefully.
By different means. Seeds may get dispersed by wind, water, fire or animals. Some plants even shoot their seeds out explosively. Plants like the pea, bean, soybean, etc. spread their seeds effectively without any external help. They spread the seeds by violent explosion of their pods. All these plants depend on the sun for seed dispersal. As a pod dries in the sun, tension is set up in the walls, eventually causing it to split along two lines of weaknesses. Then the two halves curl back suddenly and flick out the seeds within in an explosive manner. Some plants, such as tecoma and dandelion, disperse their seeds by wind. These plants produce small, light seeds that are covered by outgrowths. These structures help the seeds stay longer in air and spread far away. The seeds of a dandelion plant are covered by hair-like outgrowths that act as parachutes and carry the seeds over great distances. Tecoma plants have light winged seeds. The wings help the seeds stay afloat in air and travel long distances away from the parent plant. Clematis, cotton, milkweed, and maple are some other plants whose seeds are dispersed by wind. Some plants that grow in or near water bodies, like lotus and coconut, disperse their seeds by water. The seeds of these plants are adapted to float on water. Coconuts have a thick fibrous outer shell that makes them light and waterproof and helps them float on water. The seeds of lotus plants are dispersed along with the fruit. The fruits are light and spongy. As a result, they float on water for long distances. The seeds of foxgloves, mangroves, sea beans are also dispersed by water. Plants like fig, tomato, strawberry, and orange produce fruits which are fleshy and edible. Their seeds have a hard protective shell. When animals eat such fruits, the seeds are not digested and are passed out along with their feces. As animals keep moving around, the seeds are dispersed away from the parent plant. Plants such as Trollius, Cockleber, Castor, and burdock produce seeds which have hooks or spines. These seeds get attached to the fur of animals or the clothes of people who pass by the plant. This way, the seeds are carried and deposited in different places. When people cut fruits and vegetables and throw away the seeds, they aid in seed dispersal too.
After watching this video, we came to know that seed dispersal by wind, water, explosion and animals. We have seen different examples also. After that, we will see due to seed dispersal, people are now unaware of where the seeds originally came from. Here we will see some plants and continents. Chilies came from South America, potato and tomato came from South America, cabbage and peas came from Europe, then coffee beans and okra means ladyfinger, came from Africa. And plants that are native to India are mango, orange, banana and brinjal. After that we will see summary that we have seen dispersal of seed takes place by wind, by water, by animals or by explosion. And we have seen the importance also that how and why seed dispersal is important. Thank you for watching video and watch this video again and again for better understanding. Thank you.